Hello and welcome to AltheaSuite. Today I'm going to talk about item definitions. To get started, we're going to go into our products module and then into our items module. Once we get into our items, we're going to go up there at the top left and hit that new button to create a new item. Now, when it comes to defining the actual item, we need three main things in order to create a new item in AltheaSuite. That is having an SKU, an item name, and finally a category. The rest of this is up to you on how you want to define your item. If I scroll down further, we have all these different item attribute flags. A few of the main ones are this checkbox right here. So we can mark this item to have serial numbers. That way, whenever you receive the item through purchase orders, the system will record the serial number. Along with the has serial number flag, you might also have simultaneously has a manufacturer's warranty. This needed to buy a 12-month warranty, and then we could always select other extended warranties to add on to this item. Some other accounts are configured to have warranty options. These are different warranty options that you give to your items depending on their sales prices. Another way to configure this is if your item does not have serial numbers, it's just a basic furniture item. We can leave everything as is. You don't need to have the has serial number flags or any of that. We do, however, have this flag to mark this item as an invoice level warranty. As soon as this item goes into a sales invoice, the system will calculate the warranty depending on the actual price of the item. Now, depending on your configuration in your account, sometimes people want to use this QLN flag right here. So this item now has a QLN, which is just another number that we can give to internalize your items further. And then along with the QLN, we can say this also has a manufacturer serial number. So we want to record the actual serial number that's on the box of the appliance, as well as creating our own QLNs. Sometimes in your account, you will have some items that you want to have add-ons for. So that's what this checkbox is for, is a combo. And then when this is a combo, we need to set the combination depending on what it is. So if this was a regular appliance add-on, we can add that. If this was a washer, we can add the washer add-on. If this was just a regular furniture, we can add that combos as well. And you can kind of configure all of these different combinations depending on which item that we're talking about. We have a couple other attribute flags as well. So if you want to, you can mark this item as non-taxable. We can also mark this item that it is a service item. So our service item attribute flag, this will tell the system not to give any inventory on this. So these are things like labor charges, delivery charges, etc. If you did want to start to count inventory of your service items, we do have this attribute flag as well. So this is a non-inventory item. So things like installation charges, etc., those will start to show a quantity in your item manager. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, we'll get into our measure unit side. So this can further define our items. So we can say to the system that one purchasing measure unit can turn into so many sales units. We can define that by our one purchase measure unit equals however many sales units. And then down here in this multicolored area is where we can set our sales price. We can set our MSRP price as well, and our MAP prices. We have a column called last purchase price. So this is going to be the last cost that you had your item at through a PO. So whatever price gets updated, that will also update the last purchase price in your item manager. These last two lines over here coincide with our last purchase price. So depending on what our last purchase price is, we can set our margins for the last purchase price or our markups with the last purchase price, or if we want to show what profit you get. Same thing with the MSRP. We can do that based off the last purchase price, markup of the last purchase price, or the actual profit. Going down even further, we have a preferred supplier. So here is we can denote exactly who you get your item from. So if this item is coming from Almo, or is it coming from GE or Ashley Furniture, you can decide to add that here. If we go even further down, we do have a financial section. So you can say that this particular item is coming from a specific COGS account or an inventory asset account or an income account. And then lastly, we have all of our user fields. So these are fields, if you want to get into them, we just need to hit the item fields button, and they're going to be all listed over here. The actual values of the user fields you can be found by going into our browse button, which is the middle button right there. If we click into that, it'll give us all of our different user fields. In this case, this is the brand user field. So that's how to define your item in Altea Suite. Thank you.